Hi there, Matt LUXTON here from the Equestrian Athlete Plan. Today I wanted to bring you a little short video on how we can reduce lower back pain and reduce tightness in the front of the hip. Okay, now just a quick brief intro into some of the musculature in the lower back. We've got the musculature that runs right either side of the spine, and there's some major muscles in there and there's some very small ones. Okay. Now the very small ones are involved in linking the joints, okay, the facet joints of the vertebrae together, and they help to aid in rotation, okay, or stability of the spine, so rotation under control. Now these here will get particularly tight when we're sat on the horse, okay, and sat in that sort of upright position, okay, because they're the ones that are keeping us tall. The other knock-on effect of being sat in the saddle is the shortened length of the hip flexors on the front of the hip. Okay, so now the two go together. If you've got short hip flexors, this will actually pull your pelvis forwards, okay, causing those muscles of the lower back to shorten further. Okay, now this is the point where, you know, if you go riding and you go riding more often or for a longer period of time, that's when the fatigue kicks in, because those muscles are already overstressed. Okay, because they're already working in the position they're in, and then you just work them even more in that position, and then they become fatigued. This is at the point where you get, if you have been unfortunate enough to suffer with lower back pain. Okay, so one of the things I do with my equestrian athletes here is to stretch out the hip flexors and to loosen off the lower back muscles. Okay, so grab your tennis ball, and what I want you to do is to pop yourself on your back, and you're actually going to place the tennis ball on one side of the spine. Okay, and you're going to use it in the small of the back. Okay, so grab your tennis ball, okay, and just pop it onto one side of the spine. Okay, so we're off the bones, and we're in the smaller back on the muscle. And from there, you're just going to roll. You're going to be on your elbows. Shuffle this way a touch. Okay, so you're on your elbows, and we're in there. Okay, so we're just literally rolling the tennis ball there into the smaller back, about 20 seconds, but make sure you stay up and down in line with the spine. Okay, so go along the length of the muscles that we're trying to loosen off. Okay, and then you do exactly the same with the tennis ball on the other side. Once you've done that, do that 2 or 3 times on each side. Okay, and then pop over onto your front in this position. Okay, now push your hips firmly into the floor. Bring your heel towards your backside. Okay, push the hips in there. Hold on to your foot and keep the hip pushed into the floor there. Squeeze the glutes. That's your buttocks. Push your hips into the floor. Hold that for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then do exactly the same on the other side. Squeeze the glutes there. Push your hips into the floor. Okay, so that's just 2 exercises, or 2 stretches if you like, that will help you to, you know, maintain the length in the muscles that we're looking for in the front of the hip and the lower back. Alright, that will significantly help you with reducing lower back pain. Okay, that's Matt LUXTON from the Equestrian Athlete Plan. Have a great day.